Namaste. खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic cardiovascular system. This topic belongs to the human anatomy and physiology practical for the B Form second semester. Now we come to the introduction of cardiovascular system. Now we come to the function. The cardiovascular system consists of pump and vessel that distributed blood to all areas of the body. This system allows for the delivery of needed substances to the cells of the body as well as for the removal of waste. Organs, the primary structure that comprise the cardiovascular system: blood vessels, arteries, capillaries, and veins. The cardiovascular system, also called the circulatory system, maintains the distribution of blood throughout the body and is composed to the heart and the blood vessels, arteries, capillaries, and veins. The circulatory system is composed of two parts: the pulmonary circulation and the system circulation. The pulmonary circulation between the heart and lung transport deoxygenated blood. So, structure and function of the cardiovascular system. In this section, you will learn about the structure of different parts of the cardiovascular system, as well as their function. It is important to have a clear idea of the CVS structure and functions discussed in this section in order to understand the ways cardiovascular disease can occur, which are discussed in the next section. This section will also help you understand the CVS. So if when a participants of their treatment supporter has questions, you will be able to discuss the participants cardiovascular condition. So the body is made up of the number of systems that control different functions, such as respiratory systems for breathing, and the digestive system that helps you break down the food we eat, and the nervous system that allows to think and react to the environment around us. In the HOPE 4 programs, we are considered in CVS the system responsible for supplying blood to the parts of our bodies. It is an essential system for cervical, and in this module, uh, we'll look at the parts of this system and why we need to keep it healthy. Organs. All the organs and tissues in the body require oxygen. Requirement is fulfilled by the constant flow of oxygen carrying blood. The CVS is responsible for making sure the blood of flow is constant along every cell in the body to have access to oxygen. Without properly functioning CVS, our cells would be unable to function properly. The CVS has a number of parts that control the flow of blood. These components are blood, heart, and blood vessels. And the main function of the CVS is to pump blood throughout the body. The function of the heart is to act as the pump, publishing blood into the blood vessel. The blood vessel carry blood all the different parts of the body before it is returned back to the heart to start the cycle again. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs throughout the body. It is also responsible for transporting waste products such as carbon dioxide, which are then eliminated by other bodily system. So, blood is a fluid that delivers necessary substances, including nutrients and oxygen, to all different parts of cell of the body. Blood also carries waste product always from the cell to other areas where they can be proceed. The average adult has around 5 liters of blood, and blood is mainly composed of solid blood cells. which are suspended the liquid plasma. The plasma consists of approximately 90% water, with the rest being made up of other dissolved substances, example clotting, protein, sugars, hormones, and minerals. There are four main components of the blood. So these are the four components of blood: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, blood plasma. This is the different types of functions of blood. So thank you, and thank you for the listening. Uh, this this session is powered by the this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.